Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bat penjasliang Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Hakar po atri ukula lingkot arajar pausan hakapor ndrubeji lala khandai minute hakapor jan mien uladan uwe ubriu balayo SMS hak mobile phone jong u na ubriu bamdan jing ithu ai pada kata ka jing tho uta ubriu la Byrngem Pynbthei bom haki benta per jong kanong ba Shillong uta ubriu wa pha ye SMS ula kam yeladi buriu dukhot jangri Bhoi gang ka kerwa khobor no Superintendent of Police ka is khasi ho suba Vivek sim Kelapin tip bahadim layo pediang ke FIR la register case hasada police station bala pengat hakikan don per jong BNSS. Hading kata ken hon jong special operation team kelas tang ke kamban thwet yo tau brio batang hapua ka pusau kenta kata ka pulai trip ukula lingkot arajar pausan kelap ya u baga kerteng jong tau brio kediu Edward Mayong le phnyos nem karta obasyang masa shipor Halowa New Colony la jumkra Kipulik liya kurup ya ka phone ka bola phai ka message Byrngem bat ka jing to ke di u ka ya shakman bantip lu don jing dai ne em bat kanu ka seng le no ka kerwa ka pentip ru ba kipulik ka penlong ka jing pahara ka bajur hakal leng ki benta jing ka sor bat khap sor ru kumjo khamtam namar ba ka jing raki Republic Day ka hajan e
Yesterday we got a complaint that one person had received an SMS in which the person had threatened to set off a number of blasts within Shillong city, and the person had come with a complaint, and the complaint was immediately registered, considering that it was a threat of which is critical in nature. So thereafter, the special operation team got into the business of actually identifying the person. So overnight they've been working to identify the person. We finally zeroed down on the person this afternoon. His name is Edward Mayong, 37 years. We arrested him from his temporary residence in New Colony, Lamkra. And we've registered a case under several sections of the BNS. Certain incriminating evidence also was found from his possession, and we are investigating the angle of his involvement with any militant group. At this juncture, I will not be able to say much until interrogation investigation progresses. He is right now going to be produced. He's being sent for medical examination, and most likely tomorrow he'll be produced in court. The security arrangements are tight. I think you have seen the arrangements have started right from the first week of January. A lot of checking within the city and also in the outskirts of the city. A lot of combing operations have taken place in the border areas and in the outskirts of the city. Patrolling has been intensified. We are putting more men on the ground actually overnight, 24/7 people our men are checking and intensifying patrolling to ensure that the Republic Day passes off peacefully. Interrogation hasn't really started and all that because we've sent him for medical examination. So we've got a team which is put in place for interrogation, and we'll come to know whether he's alone, he's a lone wolf, he's got a group. All that will come out later.
Is it a serious threat? Or?
When somebody says he'll commit a series of bomb blasts, I don't think so. We should take it lightly, especially in the eve of the Republic Day. So district police has, with the guidance of our DGP, we have taken up all measures, and I think within less than 24 hours we have been able to crack it. I will not be able to say for sure whether he's an overground worker, but there are all indications of him actually having leaning towards any militant group. So that will come out when we investigate. The digital items only have been seized. Mobile phones and all that, yes. It is a threat, especially before 26. These threats do come, and that's why we have to see whether it's a real threat or it's just a person who has just made up a threat. But of course, with the kind of incriminating evidence we have, we are not taking this lightly. Patrolling has been intensified. We are conducting checking 24/7. We are conducting combing operations. Mobile and foot patrolling has been intensified in every place. Advisories have been sent everywhere. So all our men on the ground, especially now, we've got a lot of additional force also to actually help us enhance the security of the city and also of the district. So things are in place. That keeps coming. I think that's not in the terms of reference of this thing, but yeah, that keeps coming, boycotting. We'll ensure that there's peace and there's security and the public can come out and celebrate Republic Day. We've been fighting militancy on our own terms. Our own men have been fighting on the ground, and we don't need to use surrendered cadres.